Are you scared to grow your own garden? I just want to show you that you can do it just like we did. All you need is seeds of your choice, some good dirt, a shovel, some good amendments such as worm castings, and whatever other amendments you'd like to use, and water, and you too can grow your own garden. I hadn't done it in years, and we decided that we'd go get some buckets, throw some dirt in them, and that's what we did. We've had some issues, but they are starting to look up. We actually planted some okra direct in the ground. We've had some problems with aphids, but they're doing good. Those two. We got a jalapeno pepper. Got squash here. Squash had gotten pretty yellow, but they're starting to green up now. It's starting to grow a little better. Got another squash here. We got some okra here too. Now it doesn't have to be perfect, you know, like the okra, we know that it's planted too close together, but really it's just an experiment. You know, we want to see how it goes, so I just encourage you to try to do the same. Just go buy you some seed and some soil and dump it in a bucket, pop the seed in there, keep it watered, don't overwater it, just try it out. It's a great hobby, and you'll probably have a lot of fun doing it. These are all the okras here. This is a zucchini right here. This is a zucchini as well that hasn't germinated. This is another zucchini that has germinated, but it's super small. And then we've got more okra here, once again planted too close, but I know from past experience that you've got to plant a lot of okra. Anyway, I just wanted to show you my garden and encourage you to do the same and try it. You might just have fun doing it.